Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your intent. Equip focused spinning and a mobility-enhancing item so your rotations stay consistent. Once loaded, position yourself at roughly 0, 5 to 1. 5 screen units from the target to maximize hit registration, then hold the spin key while aligning the camera to the nearest center. Make sure to buffer a dash or small step as you engage so momentum carries you through. This first setup reduces wasted frames and sets a stable rhythm for the next sequence. Once spinning, you must actively control cadence. Use a short 0, 25-second tap followed by a 0, 6-second hold to maintain power without overcommitting. Make small camera flicks to recenter targets as they move so your hits land cleanly. This is why you adjusted initial distance. Also monitor your resource meter and intersperse one quick cancel to refresh energy before it drops too low. These middle steps keep your momentum steady and prevent stalls that break the combo. To finish, align your final full hold with the target's vulnerability window and release into your burst. This ensures maximum effect and efficient cooldown cycling. After the burst, disengage with a 0, 4-second retreat input combined with your mobility ability so you don't get caught. If things go wrong, for example lag or missed hits, reduce your spin hold to around 0, 4 seconds and consciously resynchronize inputs until timing feels consistent again. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.